Good morning. Hey guys. So we are here today for Ask an Affiliate with Candace Robinson with Farmers Insurance. So Candace, we have a couple questions for you, insurance questions. So we are going to ask, what do people need to get an insurance quote? What do they need to have prepared and bring to you if they're looking for a quote?
Okay. So some key points that you need about yourself. So you need property information and you need your information. So obviously your name, but your spouse's name as well, or anybody else who might be on that loan that needs to be on the insurance per those requirements. Okay. And your legal name, not Mike for Michael. So you need your legal name and your date of birth, social security number, because insurance is credit based. So they will be asking for that. And basically those bits of information are key. They're always going to want your contact information as well so they can get a hold of you.
Okay. And when during the process of buying a home should someone contact you for a quote?
As soon as you know what house you want to buy, or even prior to that, if you're unsure where you might fall and you need to know based on your mortgage requirements, if you have a house that you really like, you can get a quote on that anytime. But if you're under contract, you need to do it as soon as possible because that will affect your debt to income ratio.
Okay. And I'm going to ask one more follow-up question. Is there anything along the process that may prevent them from being able to get insurance or affect that quote later down the process?
Okay, so typically there won't be much that will prevent you from getting a quote.
Okay.
Depending on your credit score will depend on the rate that you receive. Also, other criteria as far as the house is concerned, the age of the home, if you have a pool or a trampoline, needs to be fenced. All insurance companies are going to require that. That could later end up in cancellation, or they have to take your trampoline down, something of that nature. If you have a dog that has bit someone before, those are some key things that are a factor. The agent's going to always want to look at the house to ensure that it meets the requirements based on their new business requirements. Some things that they're going to need to know: the year it was built, the age of the roof, the square footage. A lot of those things can be found on the MLS sheet that a lot of times you're given from the realtor, so that's always going to be helpful too.
Okay, great. If you guys have any insurance need, give Candace a call. She can help you, give you a quote, and she's really good about explaining things and telling you, so you understand what you're getting into and what exactly you need and what you're getting. So, thanks.
Thank you.